Digestion process in human body. The process by which food is broken down into smaller and simpler substances that can be easily used by the body is called digestion. The digestion of food is performed by the organs of the digestive system. When we put food into our mouth, the saliva mixes with the food and begins to break it down. This is the first step of digestion. Our teeth help us chew the food well and mash it into smaller particles. Our saliva, teeth, and tongue work together to make the food easy to swallow. The swallowed food enters the next part of the digestive system, the food pipe. The food pipe is also called esophagus, is a tube-shaped organ. The muscles of the esophagus alternatingly contract and relax and push the food towards the stomach. This action is called peristalsis. From the esophagus, food reaches the stomach. The stomach is like a mixture, churning and mashing together all the small balls of food that comes down the esophagus into smaller and smaller pieces. It does this with the help from the strong muscles in the walls of the stomach and gastric juices that also come from the stomach's walls. Hydrochloric acid secreted in stomach helps in destroying bacteria as well as other harmful species. The stomach stores the partially digested food for some time until it moves to its next stop, the small intestine. The stomach uses peristalsis to send the partially digested food to the small intestine, a long tube-like organ. Here, the food mixes with intestinal juice that is secreted by the small intestine. The small intestine also receives a greenish yellow liquid called bile from an organ called liver. Together, the bile and the intestinal juices further break down the food into nutrients that can be easily absorbed by the small intestine. The absorbed nutrients travel through the walls of the small intestine into the blood. The blood carries them to all parts of the body. The process of digestion is now complete. Any undigested food is sent to the large intestine. The main function of the large intestine is to absorb excess water from the undigested food and make solid waste called feces. The feces is then expelled from our body through the anus. This process is known as defecation. Here you can see mind map for digestion of food in human body. Thank you.